Challenger 200 A6, one of Al-junidi for Trade and Industrial Engineering Machines series products. It's a linear machine for packing and packaging liquid materials in plastic cups, with different sizes from 100 to 500 grams, with a capacity of up to 10,000 cups per hour. All parts of the machine work with consistent mechanical movements from the gearbox connected to the electric motor. This gives the machine a long life and efficiency of work, smoothly speed control in addition to the ease of maintenance. The machine consists of 5 work stages. The machine starts operating from the touchscreen and begins by taking 6 cups in the first stage and walking them to the second stage, which is the volume packing, to the third stage, the aluminium covers, to the fourth stage, the process of sealing the aluminium covers, and then to the final stage, which is directed to the conveyor belt. Electronic sensors cover all movements of the machine to show any shortage of cups or covers or liquid to be filled, or heating or pressure drop, or any defect may result during the operation, and appears at the bottom of the touchscreen so as not to spend time searching for it. The machine also has a self-washing facility for the filling units, and it's working with CIP. Challenger. Solutions, efficiency, and safety.